What's the meaning of card swipe? Card swipe. Card swipe.
Card swipe. Card swipe. Card swipe refers to the process of sliding a magnetic stripe card, such as a credit or debit card, through a card reader. The information on the card's magnetic stripe is then read by the reader and transmitted to the system for verification and processing. This method is commonly used in various industries, including retail, hospitality, and finance, to authorize transactions and grant access to secure areas. Overall, card swipe is a quick and convenient way to process payments and access control, making it a widely adopted technology in modern society.